Magazine's already out. This is the 9mm. It's a full metal jacket. Nothing super crazy. I am gonna get super wet. That is expected out of this video. So let's see what happens. Rigo, be quiet. Get out of here. That's Rigo. Some of you guys know Rigo, but he sits right over there and just watches. This is live audience. Okay, I'm shooting for. Where's the camera? Oh, I'm shooting from 5-6 feet away. Let's hope it doesn't go through all of them. Ah, finally! Thank God, it stopped. I got wet again. The camera's not wet. Let me just kind of clean it.